Shwmae, croeso cynnes I Clwb Cwtsh. A very warm welcome to you all to Clwb Cwtsh. It's amazing that you've made this first step to learn Welsh, and of course Clwb Cwtsh has been created to be able to give you the basics of Welsh and then be able to share that with the children in your life. So da iawn chi, well done you for making this first step. So in this first session, we'll be doing things like introducing ourselves, basic greetings, things like counting, and also some foods as well. You'll hear me saying lots of da iawn in the sessions, so that means very good. You'll hear me saying lots of gwych, which means excellent, and you'll also hear me saying things like gyda'n gilydd, and gyda'n gilydd means together. So when I want us to say something together, sort of repeat after me, and you'll hear me saying gyda'n gilydd, which means together. Okay, so you'll hear me saying lots of that during the sessions. So let's get started then. So you've already heard me saying shwmae. Now shwmae is a hi and how are you all rolled into one. We say that so much in Welsh and in Wales as well in general. So shwmae. So shwmae is a hi and how are you. Let's give this one a go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Shwmae. Da iawn, excellent, da iawn chi, gwych. So shwmae is a hi and how are you, shwmae. Iawn, and we spell shwmae like this, and underneath I've got a basic equivalent to how to pronounce it for you. Okay, so shwmae and then the pronunciation. I hope this helps underneath there for you, shwmae. Okay, so shwmae is hi and how are you. So that's a great one to know straight away. Okay, da iawn, excellent, gwych. Okay, Teb, so when we've said shwmae and saying hi, how are you, we'll maybe we want to say something like I'm so-and-so. Okay, so you want to introduce yourself. So my name is Meithrin. So if I were to say I'm Meithrin, I would say Meithrin dwi. Okay, so the dwi is the I am part. Okay, so it's like saying I am and then the name. Okay, so we say the name first though with dwi. Okay, so Meithrin dwi. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do dwi, okay, for the I am part, and then obviously I'll put my name at the start of it, but obviously you use your own name there instead. Okay, so I'm going to say Meithrin dwi. Okay, so let's try that gyda'n gilydd. Okay, Meithrin dwi. Da iawn, gwych, excellent, da iawn chi, excellent. And of course what we do is, this is how it looks. I'll just write this down for you. So whatever your name is with dwi, and then underneath it's literally like that. So if you can see that, so whatever your name is and dwi. Okay, so and we literally pronounce it like that. Okay, so dwi, just like that, dwi. Okay, so dwi, I am. Okay, so Meithrin dwi. Da iawn chi. Excellent, gwych. Okay, so we've done shwmae as a hi and how are you, and we've done our name with dwi, so we've learned how to say our name as well. Now then, let's try some counting. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll count from 1 to 10 today. Alright, so what we'll do is I'll break it up a little bit as well. So we'll do the first 3, and then we'll do another 3, and then another 3, and the last number. Okay, we'll do it in steps, so don't worry. Okay, so let's start off with number 1. Okay, so 1 is un. Okay, un is number 1. Okay, and I'll write this down for you. So literally, number 1 is un, and literally pronounced like that. So un is number 1, and we pronounce it as un, like that. Okay, so let's try. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, un. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd, un. Da iawn, excellent, gwych, da iawn chi. So, 1 for number 1, okay, 1, da iawn. Now for number 2, we say dau, okay, and you might have heard the name dau in Wales. It's pronounced exactly the same as the name dau, okay, but spelt that little bit differently. So dau is 2, but it's pronounced as the name dau, just like that. So dau is 2, and then pronounced like the name dau. Okay, so let's try gyda'n gilydd, dau. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Let's try that one again, iawn, eto, again, iawn. Dau. Da iawn chi, excellent. So we've had 1 a dau. Okay, so 1 and 2, 1 a dau. Okay, now then, let's do number 3. Okay, so number 3 is tree. Okay, so think in pronunciation as if we're talking about a tree. Okay, it's exactly the same sound there, okay, but it's spelled differently. So tree is 3, and there we are. So tree is the number 3, and then we pronounce it like the word tree. Okay, so let's try then tree. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, tree. Da iawn, gwych, excellent, da iawn chi, brilliant. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, gwych, excellent. Okay, so tree for the number 3. Okay, so let's try gyda'n gilydd. We'll do 1, 2 and 3 straight after each other. Okay, so let's try it then gyda'n gilydd, iawn. 1, 2, 3. Gwych, da iawn, excellent, that was brilliant, da iawn chi. So 1, 2, 3, gwych. Let's move on to number 4 then. Okay, so 4 yw pedwar. Okay, pedwar. Okay, I'll write this down for you. So pedwar is number 4, and it's literally there we are. I hope that helps underneath. So pedwar is 4, and we say it a bit like this, pedwar. Okay, pedwar. And what you will find in Welsh, we do tend to roll our R's. Okay, so we don't say R, we tend to say R. Okay, so pedwar. Okay, just like that. Okay, so let's try, okay, pedwar. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, pedwar. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. So pedwar for the number 4. Okay, pedwar. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Okay, so let's do number 5. Number 5 is pimp. Okay, pimp for number 5. Okay, and literally we spell the number 5 like this. Just like that. So pimp, it looks like pump, but it's actually pimp. So anything with a U in Welsh is an E sound. Okay, so pimp is number 5. Okay, so pimp for the number 5. Okay, so let's try, okay, pimp. Oh, I had pedwar then, didn't I? I was testing you. So pimp, iawn, for number 5. Gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Pimp. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So pimp for the number 5. Okay, pimp. Gwych, da iawn chi, you're doing so well, da iawn. Okay, so we've had 1, 2, 3, pedwar, pimp. Okay, so let's do now then chwech, okay, which is number 6. Okay, chwech, iawn. And as you can hear, that's got sound to it. Now lots of people think that it's very guttural, okay, the in Welsh, but it doesn't need to be at all. It doesn't need to be very harsh or anything, okay? It's like a quiet sort of sound, as if we're literally, it does come from a little bit, some people think, oh, it's a little bit like when you're clearing your throat or something, but it's not as harsh as that. It's very quiet. So chwech, very soft, okay? So if you think of the composer Bach, it's exactly the same sound there, okay? So very, very quiet, sort of very soft, okay? So what we'll do is we'll do number 6, which is chwech, and that's number 6. Okay, so chwech for the number 6, okay, and this is the sound, and we got one either side of this word, okay? So chwech, okay, chwech. Okay, so let's give this one a go together. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd. Chwech. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Okay, so chwech for the number 6. Okay, chwech. Da iawn, gwych, chwech. Okay, so we've done pedwar, pimp, a chwech in that little section there, haven't we? Yeah, brilliant. So we've done 1 to 6 all in all, so you were doing really well. Okay, now let's do number 7. Okay, so 7 yw saith. Okay, saith for the number 7. Okay, and I'll write this down for you. Literally, and I hope that helps underneath. So it's literally saith for the number 7, and then literally pronounced a little bit like that. Okay, so saith. Okay, so let's try this one then together. Iawn, so let's try saith. Gyda'n gilydd. Saith. Da iawn, gwych, excellent, saith. Okay, so saith is number 7, okay, saith. Okay, da iawn chi, you're doing so well, excellent, da iawn chi. Let's try number 8, okay, so number 8 is wyth, okay, wyth, and I'll write this one down for you. So wyth is 8, and I'll do this so literally just like this. Okay, so wyth is number 8, and we pronounce it a bit like that. So wyth. Okay, wyth for the number 8. Okay, so let's try, okay, number 8, so wyth, gyda'n gilydd, okay? Wyth. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Wyth for the number 8, okay, wyth. Da iawn chi, da iawn. Another 2 to go, and then we'll do from 1 to 10, okay? But we'll do the last 2, we'll do number 9 and number 10 first, okay? So now 10. Number 9, okay, so let's do this. Oh gosh, there we are. Okay, so 9, yeah? 9 is now, okay? Now for the number 9, okay? Now, okay? And I'll write this one down. And it's a little bit like the sound as if, say if you've hurt your leg and you go ow, okay, that's the sort of now kind of sound, okay, so think like that sometimes, okay, just for certain pronunciations, okay. I'm just trying to think of something that might be a little bit similar sound for you. Okay, so now is the number 9, okay, now, and literally if you think of it like that, so now for the number 9, okay, so now, okay, let's try that, gyda'n gilydd. Now, Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. So 9 for the number 9. Gwych. Excellent. So we've got to the last one. Okay, so 10 yw 10. Okay, 10 is the number 10. Okay, 10. Okay, and I'll write this one down for you too. So number 10 is 10. It's literally a little bit like that. So 10. Okay, so 10 is the number 10, and we say it a little bit like that. 10. Okay, 10. Okay, so let's try it. Iawn, we've got to number 10, so let's give 10 a go, okay, which is 10. Gyda'n gilydd? 10. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Let's try that one again, okay? Eto, iawn. 10. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. You've done so well. So we've done literally 1 to 10, iawn? So what we'll do is we'll go from 1 to 10 straight after each other. Okay, so we'll go from 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, so let's try this, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da iawn, excellent, you've done so well. Should we give it one more go? Yeah, okay te, unwaith eto, one more time. Gyda'n gilydd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. You've done so well. Brilliant. Be very proud of yourselves. So, we've done a hi and how are you, which is shwmai. We've done the introducing our name. And we've also done counting from 1 to 10. 1 I 10. Okay, brilliant. Da iawn chi. You're doing so well. Brilliant. Are you ready to move on to the next section? Yeah? Okay, te. Iawn. Well, the next section is things like foods. Okay, so we'll start off with what we call amser paned. Okay, amser paned means cuppa time or time for a cuppa. So we use that if we're having a break during the day. So amser paned. Amser is time. I'll write this down for you. There we are. And it's literally a bit like this. I hope this helps underneath for you. So amser is time. So literally time on the watch. I haven't got a watch on today, but if you did, then if you're telling the time, then anything to do with time is amser. And we say it a bit like this underneath. I hope you can see that, okay? So amser. Amser. Okay, so amser is time, and a cuppa is paned. Okay, paned for a cuppa. Okay, and I'll write paned down for you as well. Okay, so paned is a cuppa, and literally hope that helps underneath. So paned for a cuppa and pronounced paned. Paned. Okay, paned. Just like that underneath. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we'll do cuppa. Okay, so a cuppa is paned. Okay, gyda'n gilydd? Paned. Da iawn, gwych. Should we try that one again? Eto, yeah? Let's try that one again then. Gyda'n gilydd. Paned. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Brilliant. So we've done paned for a cuppa. Iawn. Gwych. So that's a good one because we all like a cuppa, don't we? Okay, now then, if we're having tea, okay, I've got some tea here. Okay, so tea is te. Okay, literally quite similar, but it's not tea, it's te. Yeah? So I'll write this one down for you too. Literally te for tea. And it's literally a bit like that. I'll write this down. There we are. So te is tea, and we pronounce it a bit like this. Te. Okay, te. Okay, so let's try gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Te. Gwych, da iawn. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd, te. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So that's tea. Okay, so te is tea. Now this next one, pretty easy for you, this one. It is spelt differently, but pronounced exactly the same. So coffee is coffee. Okay, coffee is coffee, but it's written like this. There we are. So it's got an E dot. We call an I yn Gymraeg, in Welsh, we call an I an E dot. Okay, hope you can see that okay there. So coffee is coffee, but they're spelt a little bit differently, just like that. Okay, so coffee is coffee, an easy one for you there. Okay, so this is similar to the English as well. Sugar. Okay, sugar. I've got a bag of sugar here. Hope you can see that. It's quite bright, isn't it? There we are. Hope you can see that. Anyway, this is sugar. Okay, sugar for sugar. Yeah. So sugar. I'll write this down. There we are. It's written like that. Sugar. Okay, like that. But we tend to pronounce it as sugar. Okay, hope that helps underneath for sugar. Sugar. Okay, for sugar. Okay, so let's try. Okay, sugar. Gyda'n gilydd, sugar. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So sugar for sugar. Very similar there again, but it's sugar as opposed to sugar. Okay, so we've had paned. Paned. We've had te. And we've had sugar, and also, of course, we've had coffee. Iawn. Okay, te. Now then, food, any foods, okay, is what are literally anything. So it could be, you know, fruit, it could be a meal, whatever. So that is bwyd. Okay, bwyd is food. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you as well. So, bwyd is food, and it's literally pronounced a bit like this. There we are. Okay, so I hope you can see this okay. So literally, bwyd is food, and literally we pronounce it like that underneath. So, bwyd. Okay, bwyd. Okay, for food, and that's for any food. Okay, so let's try bwyd gyda'n gilydd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, bwyd. Da iawn, gwych. Let's try that one eto. Again, okay, eto. Gyda'n gilydd, bwyd. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Da iawn. Okay, you're doing so well. Da iawn. Be very proud of yourselves. Da iawn chi. Excellent. So, we've had bwyd, which is food. Okay, Tim. Now then, any sort of drink, okay, if it's juice, if it's milk, if it's a cup of tea or whatever, then any sort of drink is a diod. Okay, so I've got a mixture of things here. Okay, so anything like that is a diod. Okay, so I'll write this down for you next. So, diod for a drink. And I literally do this underneath. There we are. I hope that helps underneath for you. So diod is a drink. Okay, diod. And then we say it as diod. Okay, diod. Okay, so diod for any drink. Okay, is a diod. Let's try diod gyda'n gilydd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Diod. Gwych, da iawn, excellent. Should we try it again? Yeah, eto. Okay, te, gyda'n gilydd. Diod. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So diod for a drink. Okay, iawn te. Halfway through the list here now, doing really well, guys. Excellent, da iawn chi. Okay, now then, I've got here a glass of water. Okay, there we are. Okay, so now then, water is dŵr. Okay, dŵr is water. Okay, dŵr. Iawn. So, let me write this one down for you. Dŵr. Water, literally, it's like saying hope that helps underneath. So it's a little bit of a, again, rolling the R's, okay? So it's literally dŵr, okay? So dŵr is water, and we say it a little bit like that. I hope you can see that, okay? So literally like do and then r, okay? So dŵr. Again, as you can see, there's a toe, a little roof, we call that a toe, above the W, which prolongs the oo, okay, the oo sound, the W sound. So that's why that's there, okay? So it's dŵr, okay? Dŵr for water, okay? So dyma'r dŵr, this is the water, okay? So dŵr, let's give dŵr a go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Dŵr. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Let's try dŵr eto, iawn, again, okay? Let's try dŵr. Gyda'n gilydd. Dŵr. Da iawn chi, excellent. You're doing so well. Da iawn, gwych. So we've got dŵr, okay, for water. Okay, dŵr. Now te. I've got a glass of milk here, okay? Now te. This is a word now. We're going to use something that's very popular in Wales, actually, this letter, which is an l, okay, which is a double L. You've probably heard lots of words in Wales and in Welsh, things like llan and things, and that's the l sound, okay? So, what I'll do is, I'll write this down for you first. There we are. Okay. So, milk is llath. Okay, llath. Now, whenever you see a double L in Welsh, it's a l sound. Now, people often ask me, right, how do we say an l? Basically, what helps is if you put your tongue onto the roof of your mouth, like that, and then just exhale. Okay, and you should be able to do a natural sound. So if you, again, tongue onto the roof of your mouth behind your teeth, and then exhale. So, and it should give you a natural sound. Again, it's very soft. It's not harsh. It's not a or anything like that. It's literally very soft. Like I say, it's an exhale more than anything with regards to the way you do it, okay? So let's try, okay, for milk, okay, for milk, we'll do llath, okay? Llath is milk, okay, yn Gymraeg, in Welsh, okay? So llath, okay? Let's try llath gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Llath. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Hope you're doing okay with the sound. Don't worry about it at all. It's something that comes in time, all right? But for the sound, whenever you see the double L, okay? So llath, okay, for milk, llath. Da iawn chi. Excellent. You're doing so well. Da iawn chi. Okay, te. Another 2 left. Okay. So I have a plate of biscuits here. I don't know if you can see those. Excuse me. Okay. So, now then. One biscuit is very similar. It's a biscuit. Okay, biscuit for one biscuit. I'll write this down for you. There we are. Okay, so biscuit for a biscuit, and it's literally pronounced a bit like this. So biscuit, biscuit. Okay, biscuit for a biscuit. Okay, biscuit for biscuit, and it's literally biscuit. Okay, so let's try for, this is one biscuit now this time. Okay, so for one biscuit it's biscuit. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Biscuit. Da iawn, gwych, excellent, da iawn. Let's try that one again, okay? Eto, iawn. Biscuit. Da iawn chi, excellent, da iawn. So biscuit is one. Anything sort of more than one biscuit then would be bisgedi. So I've got 2 there. So these are then biscuits, isn't it? Yeah. So bisgedi. Okay, for more than one. Okay, bisgedi. So I will literally add this in like that. There we are. Okay, so we've got this. So bisgedi. Okay, again the E sound, which is the I, the E dot. Okay, so bisgedi is biscuits, and it's literally, hope you can see that underneath, bisgedi, bisgedi. Okay, bisgedi. Okay, so let's try bisgedi gyda'n gilydd, iawn? So gyda'n gilydd, bisgedi. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Let's try that one again. Eto, iawn? Gyda'n gilydd, bisgedi. Da iawn chi, excellent. Bisgedi for biscuits. Okay, da iawn, excellent. Un arall, one more, okay? I've got a selection of fruit here. Okay, there we are. So fruit is ffrwyth. Okay, so let's write this one down for you. Hope that helps underneath again. So literally ffrwyth, okay, for fruit. Okay, and we literally pronounce it like that underneath. So ffrwyth, okay, ffrwyth. Again, it's the R sound, so ffrwyth. Okay, a little bit rolling the R's again there, okay. So ffrwyth for fruit, okay, ffrwyth. Okay, so let's try gyda'n gilydd. We'll do, hang on, I'll grab these a second. There we are. So fruit is ffrwyth. Okay, let's try that one. Gyda'n gilydd. Ffrwyth. Da iawn, excellent, da iawn chi. Let's try that one again. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd. Ffrwyth. Da iawn chi, excellent. So ffrwyth for fruit. Okay, so we've done paned, we've done coffee, we've done tea, we've done dŵr, we've done llaeth, we've done sugar, we've done biscuit and bisgedi, and we've also done ffrwyth. Okay, da iawn chi, excellent, da iawn. So we've got, so you've done so well already today. We've literally been doing things like introducing ourselves, haven't we? Yeah, we've done the basic greeting, we've counted from 1 to 10, and we've done some foods as well. Okay, there's one more section to go, and then you've done your first session with Clwb Cwtsh. Okay, I hope you're doing okay there. Okay, you're doing so well. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Okay, so the last section today is things like verbs and action words. Okay, so to sing. Okay, if we're singing, okay, so singing is, or to sing is canu. Okay, canu is to sing or singing. Okay, I'll write this down for you. So canu is to sing, and it's literally pronounced like this. Hope you can see that okay there. So canu for to sing, canu for to sing, and we literally pronounced it like that underneath. So canu, okay, canu for to sing, canu. Okay, so let's try gyda'n gilydd, iawn, canu. Gyda'n gilydd, canu. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. So whenever you're singing next, think I'm canu, okay, I'm singing, okay, so canu, okay, for singing. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. So canu for singing. Da iawn, gwych, okay. I'm not very good at this, but if I were to dance, then I would be dawnsio. Okay, dawnsio for to dance. Okay, dawnsio. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you as well. So, dawnsio is to dance. And again, I hope this helps underneath a little bit. Okay, so dawnsio is to dance, and it's literally pronounced a bit like this. So dawnsio, dawnsio. Okay, for to dance, dawnsio. Okay, so dawnsio, okay, is to dance. Okay, so let's try that one. Gyda'n gilydd. Dawnsio. Gwych, da iawn, dawnsio for to dance, okay? So, dawnsio. So, next time you're at a party or whatever, then you're dawnsio, you're dancing, okay? So, dawnsio for dancing. Gwych, gwych, excellent, da iawn chi. Doing so well, da iawn. Nawr te, if we're to read, okay, to read, so reading a book, so when we're reading, then we're darllen, and again we got the sound in this word again. Alright, so I'll write this one down for you. So darllen is to read. Okay, and it's literally darllen. Again, it's the sound. Okay, again, don't worry, just it comes in time. Just it's good to practice though. So again, do the sort of the tongue behind the teeth and exhale, okay, to get that sound. Okay, so literally darllen is to read. Okay, darllen is to read, and it's literally like that. So darllen, darllen. Okay, darllen. Okay, and that's to read. So let's try darllen gyda'n gilydd. Okay, darllen. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Darllen. Da iawn chi, excellent. Darllen for to read, okay, or reading as well, okay? Darllen. Da iawn, excellent. Da iawn chi. We're halfway through these as well. So, to play, okay? If we're playing, then we're chwarae, okay? We've got the sound here again. Again, it's the quiet sound. Okay, so chwarae for to play. Okay, so chwarae. I'll write this one down for you. Again, I hope this helps underneath for you. So, chwarae is to play, and literally a little bit like this, isn't it? So, chwarae. Chwarae. Again, the r there. So, chwarae. Okay, it is to play. Yeah? So, chwarae. Okay, let's try this one. Gyda'n gilydd. Chwarae. Gwych, da iawn, excellent, da iawn. So let's try that one again, eto, iawn. Chwarae. Da iawn chi, excellent. So chwarae is to play. Okay, gwych, da iawn, excellent. Another 2 to go. Okay, te. So now then, I've got a cloth here. So when we're washing ourselves, yeah, so washing oneself, okay, is ymolchi. Okay, again, there's a sound here, but again, it's very quiet. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you. And if I do that underneath for the oneself, and that is hope that helps underneath there again. Okay, so we've got ymolchi, which is to wash oneself. Okay, and then we pronounce it as ymolchi. Ymolchi. Okay, so the sound is an sound like that, the y. Okay, so the so ymolchi. Okay, ymolchi for to wash oneself. Okay, so let's try. Okay, ymolchi. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, iawn. Ymolchi. Da iawn chi. Da iawn, gwych. Let's try that one again, eto, iawn. So let's try gyda'n gilydd. Ymolchi. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Ymolchi. Okay, for to wash. Brilliant. Da iawn chi. So the last one in this section is to sleep. Okay, and to sleep in Welsh and Gymraeg is cysgu. Okay, cysgu. Okay, is literally to sleep. Cysgu. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you again. Yeah, literally. There we are. So we've got cysgu, which is to sleep, and we pronounce it a bit like this. I hope you can see that. There we are. Cysgu. Cysgu. Okay, for to sleep. So cysgu. Okay. Cysgu. So let's try, okay, cysgu. Okay, so cysgu gyda'n gilydd. Cysgu. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. So cysgu is to sleep, okay, or sleeping. Okay, oh, da iawn chi, you've done so well, brilliant, da iawn. We've finished that section there. So we've had canu for to sing or singing. We've had dawnsio for to dance, which is something I can't do. Darllen is to read, okay, or reading. We've done chwarae, which is to play. We've done ymolchi for to wash, and then we've done cysgu, which is to sleep. Okay, da iawn, excellent. 2 more to go, okay, and then you finish the entire session for today. So if we want to say something like I'm singing or I'm dancing or that sort of thing, what we need is dwi'n. Okay, dwi'n. So that's the I am bit again, okay? So dwi'n canu means I'm singing. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you. There we are, and it looks like this. Okay, so dwi'n canu, I'm singing. Okay, dwi'n canu, I'm singing. Okay, so let's try dwi'n canu. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Dwi'n canu, I'm singing. Dwi'n canu. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Let's give that one a go again, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi'n canu. Gwych, da iawn. So I'm singing, dwi'n canu. So next time you're about the house sort of humming a tune or something to yourself, then always remember, dwi'n canu. I'm singing. Dwi'n canu. Okay, da iawn chi. And again, let's do this one as well, okay? So dwi'n dawnsio. Now, who can tell me what dawnsio is? Of course it is. It's dancing, isn't it? Yeah, so dwi'n dawnsio. So dwi'n dawnsio. I'm dancing. Okay, so next time again, if you're dancing around the house then to music or something, then always remember, dwi'n dawnsio. Okay, I'm dancing. Okay, so dwi'n dawnsio. Let's try that one, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi'n dawnsio. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Dwi'n dawnsio. Okay, I'm dancing. Dwi'n dawnsio. Gwych, da iawn chi. Well, do you know what? We've come to the end of sesiwn 1, okay? The end of session 1. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do a quick recap of everything we've done, and then you'll be ready then to move on to sesiwn 2, session 2 next time. Okay, so let's go from the start. We'll have a quick recap. So let's do gyda'n gilydd, siwmai. Gyda'n gilydd, siwmai. Gwych, da iawn. So that's a hi and how are you, siwmai. Gwych, excellent. Next, I'll introduce myself again. So I'll say, Emyrwyn dwi. Da iawn, excellent. And there we are. You can use your own name and the dwi. Yeah, brilliant. Gwych, da iawn chi. Let's count then from 1 I 10. Okay, so 1 to 10. Okay, so let's try that one then. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Doing so well, brilliant, da iawn chi. So, let's do these then next, okay? So we did paned, didn't we? Yeah? Okay, gyda'n gilydd, paned. Da iawn, gwych. Okay, let's do, what should we do next? Okay, we'll do te. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, te. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Da iawn. Okay, let's do this one. This is an easy one for you. Coffee. Gyda'n gilydd, coffee. Da iawn, gwych. Okay, let's do this one te. Sugar. Gyda'n gilydd, sugar. Gwych, da iawn. Excellent, sugar. Okay, food then in general was bwyd. Yeah, food is bwyd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, bwyd. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Okay, and then anything we drink is diod, isn't it? Yeah, do you remember that one? Diod. Okay, let's try that one. Gyda'n gilydd, diod. Da iawn chi, excellent, diod. Okay, and of course I had my glass of water. So this is dŵr. Yeah, gyda'n gilydd, dŵr. Gwych, da iawn, excellent. And I had my glass of milk here, didn't I? Yeah? So dyma llaeth. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, llaeth. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. A wedyn, one biscuit is a biscuit. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, biscuit. Da iawn. And then I've got the other one here. So more than one a bisgedi. Okay, so let's try that one again. Gyda'n gilydd, bisgedi. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Da iawn. Gwych. Okay. A wedyn, I had fruit. And fruit is ffrwyth. Okay. Gyda'n gilydd. Ffrwyth. Da iawn. Gwych. Okay, so we've done the foods, and the last section we did, of course, was the canu and things, yeah? So let's try, okay? So to sing is canu. Gyda'n gilydd, canu. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. Dawnsio, yeah, for to dance, okay? Gyda'n gilydd, dawnsio. Da iawn, gwych, excellent. And of course then, to read is darllen. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, darllen. Da iawn, gwych, darllen, for to read. Da iawn. And then we had chwarae, it's to play. So let's try gyda'n gilydd, chwarae. Da iawn, gwych, chwarae, for to play. Da iawn. Nearly there. To wash is ymolchi. Yeah, ymolchi. Let's try that one. Gyda'n gilydd. Ymolchi. Da iawn, gwych. Excellent. Ymolchi. And the last one, yr un ola, yw cysgu. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Cysgu. To sleep. Da iawn. Cysgu is to sleep. Gwych. And the other two we did was as well when we want to say I am, sort of I am singing. So I'm singing is dwi'n canu. Yeah, so let's try dwi'n canu. Gyda'n gilydd, dwi'n canu. Gwych, da iawn. So I'm singing, dwi'n canu, and then if you want to say I'm dancing, dwi'n dawnsio. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, dwi'n dawnsio. Gwych, da iawn chi. Oh, you've done so well. Be very, very proud of yourselves. You've done excellently today. So you've finished sesiwn 1, okay? And like I say, you've done so well, and you're ready now to move on to sesiwn 2, session 2. So I'll see you on the next session. So for now, hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr!